Black Panthers team. Team name Black Panthers. Team ID 𝗖𝑥1002. Team members عمر محمد
كريم الشاعر.
About me. Name عمر محمد. Age 9 years old. Nationality Egypt, city of Hurghada. My experience. Joined courses. We do 2 robotics course. 𝑹3 Mindstorms robotics course. Scratch 3 course. Mobile application course. CoSpace auto driving course. Joint competition RCE robotics competition 2022, and I got the best design award. Ready Share Scratch competition 2024. iCool Challenge 2023 and iCool Challenge 2024, and my team was from the top 5.
About me. Name Karim الشاعر. Age 9 years old. Nationality Egypt, city of Hurghada. My experience. Joined courses. We do 2 robotics course. Scratch 3 course. CoSpace auto driving course. Joined competitions. RCE robotics competition 2022, and I got best design award. Ready Share Scratch competition 2024. iCool Challenge 2023 and iCool Challenge 2024, and my team was from the top 5. Our category: autonomous driving first steps. Challenge task. Our challenge was to make the robot follow the line and go through all the waypoints till it reached the end, and also we take the shortcuts to finish in the least time.
The game. First waypoint. First shortcut. The second shortcut. It takes the third waypoint. The last shortcut. The last waypoint. The end. Double sensor strategy. When I use it, when I start to move with higher speed. Why I use it? Because with double sensor, the robot be more accurate and tracking the line. Strategy steps. Step 1. First, I make the statement for L1 and R1 sensors. And I put the speed I'm moving on the 2 wheels to move straight. For example, 80 on the 2 wheels. Step 2. I make a statement for L1, L2 sensors to make the robot lean left. So I put the average speed between L1 statement and L2 statement. For example, 80 in the right wheel and 70 on the left wheel. Step 3. I make statement for R1, R2 sensors to make the robot lean right. So I put the average speed between R1 statement and R2 statement, for example, 80 on the left wheel and 70 on the right wheel. Step 4. I make a statement for L2, L3 sensor to make the robot lean more to the left. So I put the average speed between L2 statement and L3 statement. For example, 80 on the right wheel and 50 on the left wheel. Step 5. I make a statement for R2, R3 sensors to make the robot lean more to the right. So I put the average speed between R2 statement and R3 statement. For example, 50 on the right wheel and 80 on the left wheel. Double sensor flow chart. If L1, R1 detects line, the robot moves forward. If L1, L2 detects line, lean left. If no, R1, to detects line lean right. If no, L2, L3 detects line lean more to the left. If no, R2, R3 detects line. If no, the robot begins the flowchart from the beginning.
How to use ultrasonic sensor. If the robot faces an obstacle, so for sure we should use the ultrasonic sensor to help the robot to avoid it. And here are the steps we follow. Step 1. We stop the robot in front of the obstacle and take the distance that the ultrasonic measured. Step 2. We make a statement for that and we put the minimum and maximum ranges for the ultrasonic sensor. Step 3. We put the action the robot should make in this case. Note, we add a more duration for the robot action if needed. AI tools helped us in making our presentation and expressing our ideas, such as ChatGPT for improving our presentation, Flowchart AI for making our strategy flowchart. We would like to share with you everything we have learned, the programming we learned, the skills we gained, the challenges we faced. Programming. We learned how to read data from sensor like infrared to detect the line and make the robot track it. We learned how to read data from sensor like ultrasonic to make the robot avoid the obstacle. We learned the different programming concepts like if-else statement to make decisions based on the sensor input. We learned how to test our code, debugging the bugs, and improve our performance.
Skills. We learned how to work in a team. We learned how to solve our problems. Our creativity increased. Our ability to make decisions improved. And it was the best thing that we enjoyed so much and had an interesting, joyful time.
Thank you from the Black Panthers team.